Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into fuse. 7 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Join, which means link. Join. For example, the two parts of the mold are joined with clay. Number 2. Weld, which means join together metal parts by heating the surfaces to the point of melting with a blowpipe, electric arc, or other means, and uniting them by pressing, hammering, etc. Weld. For example, steel plates were being welded. Number 3. Integrate, which means combine one thing with another to form a whole. Integrate. For example, he proposes to integrate our reserve forces more closely with the regular forces. Number 4. Melt, which means make or become liquefied by heat. Melt. For example, the hot metal melted the wax. Number 5. Attach, which means join or fasten something to something else. Attach. For example, his ankles were attached by chains to the wall. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.